Mariana and the Parrot. Mariana was mad because her parents had gone out, leaving her alone. Before leaving, her parents had tried to convince her to go with them to make a quick visit to a neighbor. But she decided not to accompany them. The last time, she had a hard time. She got bored like an oyster. The neighbor, Laura, kept speaking like a parrot. The meal lasted for hours with no end. Everybody was seated around the table doing nothing, and Mariana ended up playing by herself. This time she said no. She was not going to let that happen as the last time. She told her parents that she would stay at home, playing with her toys, and they accepted because the neighbor lived so close to the house that Mariana could reach them immediately if she became bored. Also, they knew the girl was responsible and honest. When the parents left, Mariana began inventing a game. Later, she put some music and ate cookies. But her parents did not come back. So she began to feel angry at the neighbor for distracting her parents for so long. Then she had an idea and began talking to her parrot. She told him how she was feeling and told him that the neighbor spoke endlessly. Mariana began to repeat the phrase until it turned into a song. Laura, the neighbor speaks endlessly, speaks like a mad woman. Mariana was still talking to her parrot when her parents came in, accompanied by the neighbor who needed something from the kitchen. The parrot, who had already learned Mariana's words, began repeatedly.
Laura, the neighbor, speaks endlessly, speaks like a mad woman.
Mariana did not know what to do, nor her parents. Luckily, the neighbor took it from its funny side, said her goodbyes, and did not take what she needed from the kitchen. Mariana was upset, listening to the parrot repeat time and again the same song.
Laura, the neighbor, speaks endlessly, speaks like a mad woman.
Since then, Mariana's parrot repeats every once in a while those words, and everybody remembers what happened with the neighbor. After this incident, Mariana taught new words to her parrot. She did not know, until then, that words can be permanently recorded in everybody's memory, as it had happened to the parrot. Mariana understood that words are important, and they can make people change their behavior. Ever since, Mariana takes great care with the words she teaches to the parrot. Now the parrot says, "Good morning, welcome neighbor, we were waiting for you." This will be ready for the day that Laura, the neighbor, comes back.